Hello friends, welcome to BISP training. I am Ashwin and today we are going to see what are fusion charts. It's an introduction to fusion chart. First of all, let's see what are charts and why they are used. They can quickly provide information related to trends and comparisons by allowing for a global view of data. You might have used charts in Excel sheets also many times. Why they are so useful? Because they provide a quickly view. For example, if you see this chart provides the meaningful data and it also makes some sense. The administrator can take quick decision. So that is why charts are used. Second point, it also allows members of audience who may be less versed in numerical analysis to follow the information. There are many people those who are habitual with charts only. Most of the people, they are not habitual with Excel sheet or numerical analysis, so they are useful for those also. Third is making assessment of facts become easier for audience. Assessment of facts means, suppose if you provide the data in such a way, so the administrator or the audience can easily assess the facts. That is why this is the third point. And fourth point is graph charts, pictorial diagrams are visually more engaging. Yes, if you provide the more plain textual content, then they are not attractive, but the graph charts, they are more attractive and they are more engaging. So that is why charts are used. These are some benefits of charts. Availability, they are available for many languages. For example, if you are a PHP developer, JavaScript developer, Python, Angular, React, any type of developer, you can make use of these fusion charts. Now these are some charts. The main benefit or the facility given by fusion chart is you can use three-dimensional diagram also and you can use two-dimensional diagram also. For example, these are some charts. They are used on different situations. Let me show you the practical live charts, fusion chart. Let me show you that. Then we will move ahead. For example, if you see here, these are different. This is the library of chart, fusioncharts.com. Here you can get many types of charts and the code also. Right now the static code is given here. We will see how to use dynamic code also. If you see here, there are some line charts also. In line charts also there are so many variations. There are so many variations in line chart. There are some dual axis charts also. Now if you see here, pie chart and donut chart, they are used for the comparison of two types of data. Now if you see pie chart in 2D, these are pie chart in 2D, and if you want to see it in three dimensional, then also they are provided here like this. So you can make use of different chart. Stacked charts are used when you want to show the data of two items in one bar chart. For example, if you want to show in 1994 Hymenoptera and diphtheria, so deaths reported because of insect bites in India. So these are the two labels, these are the two diseases. So in this way you can show the data in different ways, like this: stacked bar, stacked column. Now let me show you. First of all, these are different types of charts. Now facilities given by by this fusion chart. There are two types of facility given by this fusion chart. First is the annotation facility and second is the interaction. Now what is this annotation and interaction facility? This is called the annotation. If you want to add some text or annotation with some particular bar, so in that case you can add this text. So this is called the annotation. And facility, like, and the let me show you the interaction. I was talking about the interaction. Look at this. Now if I want to see this, the administrator see this 37 inquiries in year 2020. Now administrator want to ask some questions, so immediately he will click on it, annotation. After that, look at this. the data we received after clicking on that particular bar. So it makes these charts more interactive. Now it is looking more interactive like this. 1128, 11,000 leads. So this is the facility, these are the two facilities given by Fusion charts: annotation and interaction. In our next video we will work practically on it. Now see, these are the parameters, how the Fusion chart takes parameter. It's a simple view of parameters, like this is the simple structure. Here you can see data source inside that chart, caption, subcaption, y-axis name, decimal. Now what is y-axis, subcaption, caption? Look at this. If you see here, this is the caption, this is the subcaption, this is x-axis name, this is y-axis name. So it provides, you can make customization in everything. It provides you that flexibility. And if you see here data, it takes key value array as a parameter, key value array. After that you can type here the type of the chart. Suppose if you want to see pi 3D, it will make it as pi 3D. That means you need to remember the structure only one time, and after that you can customize everything and make the chart according to your requirement. So this is the flexibility provided by Fusion chart. You can also adjust the width and the height like this. So in our next video we will see how to insert the data dynamically. Right now we have seen only Fusion static chart, static data. Look at this, this is the static data they are providing. But how to insert the data dynamically, and how to render the chart, how to send the key value array to these charts. So in our next video we will see all these things. So guys, I hope you will find this video more useful. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Till then, thank you.